So I just got a call for a tire service on I-25, and it was pretty close to where I was sitting waiting for calls. So I head over there and quickly find the vehicle and pull onto the shoulder.
Winners at the Oscars, Oppenheimer taking home 7 trophies, including Best Picture, 4 won by Poor Things. There is another overriding theme to mention today: the wars in Gaza and Ukraine, repeatedly talked about by Hollywood's elite. From a tribute to the late Putin critic Alexei Navalny.
So the gentlemen with the vehicle have already started on the tire change, but they were having a little trouble getting the tire released from underneath the bed, so I decided to tackle that first. So I get the tire released and check the air pressure on it and make sure it's full. So these guys were using the jack that comes with the vehicle, and it just wasn't lifting the vehicle high enough. So I went ahead and got my floor jack and mounted in the front under the frame, and then lifted the vehicle a little bit higher so we could get that spare tire mounted. So I get my mileage and VIN number and all the things that I need for the insurance company to get paid, get a signature, and on our way. Except he's got a dead battery. So I go ahead and do a jump start on the truck, and then we get him going, but I don't get very far. So I go ahead and continue north on I-25, but pretty quickly I see another disabled vehicle, and I go ahead and pull over to the shoulder to check on them as well.
Which is, that's a really good question, and it really depends on what lens you're looking through. When you see Oppenheimer and you see Barbie.
So I pull in behind him with my warning lights activated and go check in with the driver to see what's going on.
So right now I'm sitting out here on I-25 northbound with a disabled vehicle. So I was in the area changing a tire, doing a tire service a little further back on the interstate, and then happened upon these guys. Stopped to check on them, and they said they're waiting for a tow. And of course I don't have any calls right now. It's been kind of a slow day, so I'm just sitting out here behind them with my lights on, and was thinking if the tow truck shows up, I might be able to help keep some traffic off them. But I'll take off when I get my next call. So we'll see what happens.
So I repositioned my truck a little further back just to give a little more warning, and then if I get struck, there's an opportunity that I won't hit the vehicle in front of me. If you're really close together and you get hit, then both vehicles are going to get hit. So the law in Colorado requires that vehicles either slow down 20 miles an hour under the speed limit or move over one full lane anytime they see any kind of flashing light. So whether it's an amber, work truck or police vehicle, fire vehicle, or even a vehicle, disabled vehicle with hazard lights on, the law requires that they either move over or slow down 20 miles under the speed limit. So the tow truck arrives and starts to load the vehicle, and again, I don't have any calls, so I just stick around, providing a little extra visibility and warning for the tow operator.
Issue that wasn't the number one issue, and ultimately we won that campaign. Of course, it was close, but we won that campaign.
All right, so the tow truck got here. It's AAA is taking this guy out of here, and they're just loading him up right now. And like I said, I'm just sitting here with my lights on, trying to provide some extra warning and try and keep traffic off them, even though folks are not moving over very well, but traffic's pretty heavy, so. Yeah, working on the side of the highway is a tough place to work, but a few people are moving over and giving this guy some space, but yeah, oh well, just it is what it is, I guess.
So the tow operator finishes loading the truck, and we're both ready to pull away from the scene.
Pharmacist recommended memory support brand for the 5th year in a row. You can find it in the vitamin aisle in stores everywhere without a prescription. Help your memory. Try Prevagen today. Prevagen. Healthier brain, better life. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Well, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.
Hello, America. It's Ted from Consumer